Hello, international family. My name is Javier of 5th A, and this is my science fair project. It is a very simple project that everyone can make at home, and it's really easy to make. First thing you need is a plastic plate, some string. If you don't have string, you can use old shoelaces. The point of this experiment is the point of this project is that you can do it with any material that you have. And the final thing, the most important thing that is going to help us catch pollution is Vaseline. Here's an example. This is a plate that was left in outside for 5 days or more without Vaseline. And this is a plate that was left for 2 days or more with Vaseline. As you can see, there's some pollution being caught here. As you can see, a bit of dirt in the air. And this is a very simple project that tells you how much amount of pollution is in the air, because we don't want to be breathing pollution. Thank you for your attention.